This is an Olivetti Lettera 32. Olivetti was a typewriter manufacturer back in the day. It was originally founded by a guy by the name of Camillo Olivetti, and then later on run by his son Adriano. But they had a designer called Marcello Nizzoli. I'm sorry if that's not the right pronunciation, but Marcello Nizzoli was quite renowned for his designs, and this is one of his. This is the 1963 released Lettera 32, which was a replacement of the old Lettera 22. The Lettera 22 was taken over by this one. Very popular amongst journalists and students and traveling writers. Became a little bit of a cult object. For example, Cormac McCarthy famously wrote nearly all of his novels on one of these. Have a look when you do see them out in the field. They were manufactured obviously in Italy, but you will see some from Spain, Argentina and Brazil. Different quality of those, and also a lot of different colors as well. This is pretty much the stock standard color, this particular one. Has a bit of a reputation of being nearly indestructible. I wouldn't say so. I've had some issues that I found, particularly with the carriage return lever. But they do have their own particular spool nuts that they need on their spools, so you need to watch for that. But otherwise, a very nice, snappy machine. This particular one's been serviced by us and will be going back to its lucky owner pretty soon. You have a good day.